Hello friends. Quick lesson here on how to use the Trade Ideas platform to find real-time actionable ideas. Again, this is our race setup here showing us where the action is today. And these are the race leaders. And BBAI has caught my eye, so I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to practice trading something like this. We're not going to use real money. Let's go ahead and click BBAI, excuse me. You can see it had a rush of buying on the morning push, and it is starting to pull back now. And I'm going to become interested here in this little pullback. This is the time of day I like to play these things, not chase the new high, but look for a pullback. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up my Brokerage Plus simulator, and we're going to pop in a one-click order. I'm going to buy. Now I've got my parameters there. I'm going to go ahead and just put the price right about where we are and see if we can get a fill. Going to lower this now. There we go. We have a simulated fill. I'm going to adjust my stop down here into yesterday's range, and we'll come back to this trade and see if we can make this thing work. And here is the follow-up to this morning's video. Quick recap. I established a buy here in the simulator that you see below. Not real money, simulating, trading, practice, practice, practice. And it didn't do what I expected it. I expected it to bounce off that moving average, and once it gave up my 10 SMA, you can see that sell tag. I decided to just take a small simulated loss, as you can see down here. So the point being, practice. You've got the opportunity to manage good trades and trades that you might have botched. In this particular case, you can see I put my stop pretty tight and it ran right after, and that's not uncommon. The market trading gods have a funny sense of humor. So Trade Ideas, simulating, Brokerage Plus, it's a wonderful tool for new traders. You should be using it.